Welcome back to Guidezen. There's a screen on your phone you probably swipe past every day, and it can actually save you a lot of time. Just go to your Google Play Store and then go to your search bar and search App Vault. App Vault is a built-in system app that works like a smart control center for your phone. Instead of opening multiple apps again and again, App Vault brings important tools and shortcuts into one place. With just one swipe, you can access its notes, step counter, calendar, weather updates, quick app shortcuts, and other useful widgets. The more you use your phone, the smarter App Vault becomes because it learns which apps and tools you use most and places them up front. This reduces app searching, saves battery, and makes daily phone usage faster and smoother. Many users ignore App Vault because they don't understand it. But once you customize it properly, it becomes one of the most practical feature on your phone. If this feature was new for you or you were ignoring it before, like this video, share it with others, and subscribe for more hidden smartphone features. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.